In this video, we're going to talk about simplified live streaming with BUTV. You're watching VP Land. Special thanks to our sponsors, Blackmagic, View, and LucidLink for helping make our NAB coverage possible. And now, back to the video. So yeah, PJ, tell me what we got going on here with BU.
Yeah, thank you. This is BUTV. BU is a live streaming studio in web browser.
Okay.
So nothing to download or install. You just give permission to Google Chrome or your favorite browser, and then you can stream out to Twitch, YouTube, Facebook. You can go live anywhere you want, all at once. It is a simpler, easier, more user-friendly way to live stream.
Nice. And what kind of inputs can you bring into it?
You can bring in anything your computer can accept as an input, whether that's capture cards, this or that. You can share your screen. You can take the camera from a computer, but I'd say easily the most popular input is just a smartphone. If you got a team of 3, 4, 5 individuals with smartphones at an event or a concert, you can all connect to a BU studio, cut between them right here, and create a professional event production live stream at a fraction of the legacy cost.
Are they connecting with like a BU TV app on their phones?
Just a browser. It's
so
really
they just load a
optimized
browser.
for mobile.
They just load the browser on their phone.
Just load the website.
And then you'd see the feed here.
Log in, and then they'll appear as guests, and then you can choose from an array of templates.
Okay.
And then you can come over your sources, whether that's people, videos, custom graphics, images. You can even take in streams like DJI drones or GoPros, and you can produce however you want. There's more flexibility, there are fewer limitations than competitors such as StreamYard, and overall it's just a way more streamlined, lightweight experience than something like OBS.
Awesome, cool. And how does the pricing or plans work?
If you're a casual streamer, you should be good on a free tier, but if you're doing anything consistently or commercially, there's a $19.99 a month tier that works for most of our users. If you're starting to do well, maybe you have a small team, you're growing, there's a $99 a month tier. And then if you're a larger organization like a business or a broadcast group, then there's a tier for many, many team members concurrently.
Cool, awesome. Well,
Sweet.
appreciate that.
Thank you so much for stopping by.
Thanks. And that is it for this video. Thanks again to our sponsors for helping make our NAB coverage possible. And for more of our NAB videos, be sure to check out the playlist right here. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next episode.